Hi Jack, sana ma-appreciate itong effort na or effort at ginagawa ko kahit sabihin hindi magandang boss ko or something like that. Sana mag-enjoy ka pa.
Please come in and just sit here for a while. This is my way of telling you I need you in my life. It's so cold without your touch. I've been dreaming way too much. Can we just turn this into reality? Yes, I've been thinking about you lately. Maybe you can save me from this crazy world we live in. I know it could happen, 'cause you know that I've been feeling you.
Jack, sana ma-appreciate ko naman ito kasi sabihin hindi gano'n kaganda or kabongga. Kasi kaya ko ito ginagawa kasi gusto ko naman naman yung feelings ko para sa'yo. Sana ma-appreciate mo pa rin. Thank you.
Storms never go, but I know that the sun will shine again. He's my friend and he says that we belong together. I sing a song, break the ice, and smile with you to fight. It's not me being nice, it's a real matter.
'Cause I've been thinking about you lately. Maybe you can save me from this crazy world we live in. I know it could happen, 'cause you know that I've been feeling you. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Ay, Jack, sana gusto mo ginawa ko kasi ba't hindi yung kaganda talaga ha? Or ganyan kaganda mo, siguro narinig mo na kanina. Pero sana magusto mo pa rin yung ginawa ko, appreciation. Gusto ko pa rin yung ginawa ko at na-appreciate ko sana. Sige, bye-bye, ingat ka. But, Aprigad, ayun na lang.